everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I'm back today with another synthetic headband wig review. Now I did get this wig from Aisi hair on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all of the details concerning this wig. But I have worked with the company before, but this is my first time reviewing a headband wig from them. So this is what they sent me, this real cute highlighted brown body wave headband wig. Like, I really do like it. So if you are interested in hearing a little bit more details about this wig, then keep watching.
Something we just gotta get into. Slang first, middle, last on the wisdom tooth. Niggas wishing that the pussy was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. And that dinner just like dessert too. And when we French refresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. He want lipstick, lip gloss, he's too. You living and you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I dodged the county. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Caught dipping with your friend, you ain't even had me lying on you. You know that. Got me a bag for the break, you know that. Control no shoulder, base and fight, throw back. All this ass for real. Drama make you feel. Fantasy with a baby, it's all I can.
So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs, 1 here, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. There's no adjustable strap, none of that. Of course, it does have the black part where you put a headband on top if you want to. As y'all saw from the clip as well, they did send me 2 headbands, but I did not use those because they don't match with what I have on today. So I used a different headband that I had in my collection for today. Real quick, you guys know normally when I have a headband wig, I have my edges laid, but not today. That's because I recently dyed my hair and my roots is not any kind of natural black or any of that, so it would look really weird. So I did not lay my edges down today. So again, this is from Aisi hair on Amazon. This is their long wavy brown mixed blonde headband wig. Highlight, of course, it is synthetic once again. This is 22 inches and it retails for $22.99. Of course, right now Amazon has a little 5% coupon that you can use at checkout. Did notice a little bit of shedding and a little bit of tangling as well. Of course, that's nothing to be, you know, surprised about. It is a synthetic wig, but aside from that, the hair is super soft. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the hair is soft, so that's definitely a plus. I love the length, I love the color, all of that. Like, it's really cute. I really, you know, I'm impressed. I figured that I would like it, but it is really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how it looks in the front. Again, it is 22 inches, so it is coming a little bit under my boobs. So this is the front, this is the side, this is the back, and this is the other side. So really cute. This is definitely one of my new favorite headband wigs. Okay, so I do want to thank Aisi Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. Make sure you guys check out my other hair reviews for Aisi Hair, because I've done a couple so far. I will link them down below in the description box as well as in the card, so make sure you guys check it out. But you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this headband wig as far as the color, you know, the body wave, the length, all that good stuff. Of course, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.
Give me a bug, need the Gucci.